welcome back to Mackenzie's World. Before we get started, make sure to like, subscribe, hit down the notifications, give us a huge thumbs up. Today we're going to be meshing this slime I got from the Sloomoo, whatever it's called. And I'm going to be showing to you guys how good it is. One sec. Mom, can you hold the camera up?
Sure.
And Mom, come here. Hold the camera at the slime. Mom, let it play. Okay, let's go.
What does it feel like?
It feels really soft. And if you look in the middle, it's really pretty. It has like a lot of different colors. And if you turn it around, it's a masterpiece.
It's very pretty.
It's very squishy.
What did you add to it? What's that?
So this is the chocolate syrup. It's everything slime. I added a little slime strawberry and a little slime ice cream and pink sprinkles. And this is after. This is after. So it turns out better than I thought it would. It was really good. It's really squishy. You should definitely go to Sloomoo, whatever it's called. I would recommend it. Little charm is so cute. Make the charm out for you guys. This is the charm. It's so cute. I love it. So, if you want to see more of my slimes, I will. Mom, can you hand me the slimes we made? Mom, the slimes we made. It's really pretty. I love the design. So now I'm going to be showing you another slime. So that's the end of this one. Let's put this away. Put that to the side. Really good. I would definitely recommend it. This is the next one. Wait, can you see me? Mom, is it on camera? Could you see me at the camera? Okay. So let's do it. First is this one. So I made this one. It's a little messy since I've been playing with it already, but I'm going to show you. Let me just find the charms and then get it all set for you.
hard to be.
That'll take a couple minutes. I'll try to go quick,
That's what I try to say.
guys.
You can't be
Wait one
confident
sec.
about it, but I think everybody agrees.
And here's two of them. So we were allowed to pick a scent, a color, and 3 charms. Let me quickly take this off. I don't want you guys to get bored, so I'm just going to talk to you. Mom? Mom?
Yeah.
Can you come over here and make sure they're not bored? Just talk to them and show them and like say that I would recommend you go here.
So we got these slimes at the Sloomoo Institute in New York City. Kenzie was putting together Cupid's Sundae. It's a butter slime. And then we went to Raising Cane's and got their famous chicken.
Mommy, can you please get it to me?
Yeah, that you did.
Kenzie made a gingerbread slime.
Mommy, can you give me my Mommy?
And I made a lavender cloud
Oh,
slime.
hold on yet.
Oh, that Kenzie will unbox in a second.
Mommy, can you get my thing?
Brother Jeff really wants his food.
Please, give me my food, Mom.
Yeah, when you go elsewhere, they're going to pay you normal.
Okay.
You know,
So, I was planning on doing the charms and the slime is not all the way off the charms. I just didn't want you to sing it for that one. And this is what I made. So, I made it a gingerbread scent.
He lied.
And of course, since I did a gingerbread scent, I thought that pink would be a good color.
Right, let me hop. I'll call you later.
And
Hey, dude. When I call you,
and of
next time
course,
you don't answer your phone, I'm taking
pink
away your phone.
scent.
You were not in the bathroom.
Wait,
I saw you
what was
on
it again? Wait,
on the video.
gingerbread scent
When I call you,
and
answer,
gingerbread
You didn't do what I told you to.
charm.
You didn't close it. The lock was. Jack,
You didn't tell me to lock it.
what are you talking about? I said let the dog in and lock the door. And what did you do? You left the door open. You closed the door,
This
not
is
closed
what I
with the lock on.
did.
So the door was
Ignore
open.
the
When you home alone, you gotta be
background.
careful.
So that
And also, when I call you, you have to answer the phone. Otherwise, I'm taking the
first
phone away.
time I made this
It's ridiculous
one.
that you can't answer me. Oh, 17 times. I see him on the ring just playing video games.
But I'm going to call you.
Just pick me up.
And that's that slime.
So let's see.
I'll show you the next one now. Just give me up 1 sec. I'll try to find the charm. Okay. I got this purple. My mom actually made this slime. So it's lavender scent. She wanted it to match. So lavender is purple. Like it's themed purple. I don't know about lavender that much. So she did purple. You guys could see me, right? Yeah, I think. So this is my cute little doggy. Oh, sorry. This is my cute little doggy, Nailbell. She's very cute. She loves me.
I'm just a new backsplash thing. I don't need to like.
Yeah, so you saw that. That's really appropriate. So I got my mom made it purple lavender scent. I told you already. She got
It's really not gonna be ever enough here for me.
this charm.
You didn't answer the guy. He texted the toilet.
I know. I was driving all day around the city.
I'm not criticizing. I'm just saying. You
I
never answered the guy.
got
Well, you don't text. Because remember, you don't text people back.
hat.
So sometimes it takes you like 7 days to respond.
These are the
So if I need it-
charms.
I mean,
And
Well, I don't know what's left to be
after
done,
this
so that's
one,
why
I have to go
I actually
because
don't know what's left to be
my
done.
mom needs the phone, you know, to do something with my YouTube channel. See my phone. I'm almost done. I'm just showing you this one. Saying bye. And then I got this cute little guy. If you could see, wait, I'm almost done. And I got this one. Really sneaky.
It's trackable. I literally just took it out.
And
Like 3 minutes
that's
ago I
the
did.
purple slime.
What is this?
So I gotta go now. Make sure you make a comment, whatever the name is, make a comment of
Hey,
what
Ellie's
slime you
got
want
that.
me to get next. Okay, make sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.